guys, welcome back to another video. So today I just want to do a wee quick update because my last transplant video of the Nasturtiums and the Cosmos, it looked like the wee seedlings weren't going to survive, but I just want to show you how much they have perked up in the past 2 days. If you remember in that video, they were completely lying against the soil, like completely. And look at them now. Yay! They are that there one there is deceased, perished, gone. But look at the rest. I'm all aired. All aired. The daffodils are now beginning to stand up tall again. And if you remember back in that 24-day update, they were completely bent because the cat knocked it into the sink. But they're standing tall again. I don't know if this is going to survive. Like, it's pretty bended still. I'll give it a chance and see. The sweet pot's doing good. So it is. And they're doing good as well. There's one questionable one here, but I'll just leave it to see. And here is an update on the flower bed. Guys, this is doing so well. It's only 2 days later and look at the difference. It's mad. That side's slower. I don't know why that side's slower. But we're getting there. So I just wanted to do a quick update in case anybody was worried or just eager to find out if the seedlings survived. And the answer is so far so good. So I'm all lured. I really am all lured. So stay tuned. I will be posting more updates. So I'm hoping that they continue to thrive. And I've got like a wee fertilizer I got in B&M's. It's just the generic brand. What's it called? It's called Baby Bio, and you put 5 to 10 drops into every pint. So I'm going to probably do this now that they're outside and transferred, just to help give them a wee boost, because I feel like there's no harm in it. Like. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye!